What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video. This time it's for Fairtex boxing gloves, kickboxing, Muay Thai, whatever you use them for. I want to tell you if they are worth it or not. Right over here beside me is my brand new second pair, and I want to discuss how long I've actually had my first pair for. I've used Fairtex many times, but this was my first pair that I've owned. I was using loaners in the gym years ago. Really enjoyed Fairtex. It's a good brand. It's a good company. They have solid products, and I want to show you what my gloves look like after 2 years, actually a little bit over 2 years, probably like 2 to 4 months over 2-year period, using them at least 4 times a week, some weeks up to 5 times a week for hour sessions at a time. These are the American flag ones. Let's go ahead and look at these and we'll take a look at my newest ones. So right off the bat, I am a hard right hand hitter, and so as you can see, these are completely torn up, and I'm actually still using these. That's why I obviously ordered another pair. So we can actually see the interior portion of where your hand actually goes into the glove. So let's go ahead and show you here. These are 16 ounces if you are wondering. I only use 16 ounces. So this is where my hand goes inside here. And as you can see, I grip it pretty tight when I punch. I need to relax my hands a little bit more. I wear these out every single time. And this wears out first right here. The leather breaks right here because I am gripping it hard. I punch hard, and even when my hands are down, I'm gripping too hard inside of the glove. The left one, as you can see, is also broken, ripped leather as well, but as you can see here, my jabs and my hooks on my left hand are obviously weaker, and this glove has survived a lot better. If the right hand glove was just like this, I'd probably use these for another year or so. These are the attached thumb, and I actually like the attached thumb like that. Very little wear on the side. Again, this is over a 2-year period. So the left glove is nice. The Velcro has held up great. The interior portion, absolutely fantastic. Again, the Velcro, absolutely no issues with the right or the left glove. The coloring has worn off a little bit up here, obviously, right through here, here, and here. But again, both gloves are broken on the interior. This is how the right one started, and then obviously went up to this. So I broke this piece right here, and now you have foam that comes out and looks like dandruff whenever I punch the bag. This is completely broken off. You can see the interior of what a Fairtex glove looks like. You have this like kind of hard and then soft right up here on top with the hand portion we already saw. Same thing right through here. So it's completely broken, a lot more worn here. Velcro again on this side has been completely fine. The Velcro is awesome on these. Again, 16 ounces. Interior portion has been fantastic. No breakage or anything down below. The only thing that is broken, of course, is up top and throughout the top portion of the hand. And obviously a little wear right through here as well. They've held out great, and I got both the pairs on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link those in the description box below. So I'll link the American flag ones. I really like those, but I went with something a little bit different this round. I stayed with the white gloves. I got myself the painters, and these are 16 ounces once again as well. So let's go ahead and get these out. So this is how they come. We got some little wrapping paper there that is packaged in, and the painters are sick. Look at the colors on there. And oh yeah, there's something awesome about new gloves. Yes, you're gonna have to break these in just like a baseball mitt. These are attached thumbs as well. Super pumped on these. As you can see here, 16 ounces right there. Now what is interesting is that these do not have your typical Fairtex right here. These kind of have a blended, kind of a different look to them there. I don't know if I like that quite yet, but I'm not against it either. Made in Thailand. That's awesome Velcro though. Brand new Velcro, you're not gonna hate on that. And then slipping your hand in the mitt. So yeah, these are actually a little bit different. I think it's just gonna take some time. Yeah, they feel really tight through my hand. And so that's gonna take some time before they're beat in a little bit. You guys might like the really tightness, especially right through this area here. And then with my wraps, those are gonna be pretty tight until my hands break these in, just continuing to punch and forming around in my hands with the foam inside. I forgot about that. It's been a long time for these, but your first couple weeks in the gym, they're gonna feel a little bit off. They're gonna feel nice. It's gonna be like, you know, punching something fresh and new. But again, these ones are already formed to my hand. And so it's gonna take a little bit getting used to. So right off the bat, I don't know if I like this strap. I kind of like this one a little bit better. I mean, if you're trying to flex the logo, but I mean, obviously people understand it right there, but I'm not going for that. What I'm going for is nice gloves. I'm hoping this holds, but this is the same style as the other ones were. So this will probably break first. So obviously these ones are completely beaten in a lot more, compressed, curled over. But as you can see here, it actually looks like this goes up a little bit higher here as well. And then obviously they're shorter because these are actually longer. So what's gonna happen over time is they're just gonna buckle in and shorten up here. But right now it's just a little bit more lengthier, as we can see here. See how the curl over is just beaten in on that one a little bit more. Same thing on this one. This glove actually has a Fairtex tag on this one, right there on the attached thumb. So be careful when you do tear that off. But these are really sick though. Each glove is a little bit different than the other, where it's just splashed paint across the Fairtex logo. Almost looks like someone did this homemade. That's why I got them. I think they're just unique. Nobody else in the gym has these. I was the only one in the gym to rock those ones as well. People have the solid colors, obviously black, pink for the ladies, etc. But I'm super pumped to get these guys up and running. Interior of the new ones looks great. Double stitching on the interior as well. And my first night is going to be tonight, so I'm excited to give these a go. That's what they look strapped on, obviously without wraps underneath. The only other thing I can think of is that with this pair, it might be slightly, I'm talking about maybe this much more further down my wrist for wrist support compared to this pair here. If we size them up here, you look like you potentially do have a little bit longer. Now this may curl and it may shorten up a little bit, but right now we do look like we have a little bit longer of a length down. So I might like that. We'll see. Time will tell. Well guys, are they worth it? Yes. Being in the gym 4 or 5 times a week, even though the right one is completely destroyed, that's gonna be nice. We're gonna go ahead and hang these up in the office, the man cave, and I think they're worth it. After tax, I think I paid about $92 out the door for this. I think I had a gift card or a promo code or something, or they dropped in price. I think I paid under $90 for these, including shipping on Amazon. I'll link both sets below. And so using them for over 2 years, 4 to 5 times a week, beating the crap out of them, protecting my wrists and hands, I think it's definitely worth it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thumbs it up if it has helped you make an informed decision. Subscribe on your way out. We got a lot of videos, guys. Check out the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.